Good morning, children. Children, as you can see in the picture, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 10, adjectives. Children, do you know what is the meaning of adjective? See, suppose let's talk about sun. So for sun, what are the words you can use? Can we use bright, hot, ball of fire? Yes. So what are these words doing? These words are describing a sun. Okay, it means these words are describing a noun. Sun is a noun. Sun is a naming word, right? You have learned what is a noun. You have learned what is a naming word. So sun is a noun. And hot, and what I said, and it is round in shape also, fine. So these words which describe a noun is called an adjective. So in children, you know, in short form, in short you can say describing words are called adjectives, or adjectives are describing words. But if you have to give a proper definition of adjective, you can say adjectives are used to describe or modify a noun. Or you can say adjectives are the words which are used to describe or modify a noun or a pronoun. Let's see a few more examples. Let us take an example of a dog. Dog is an animal, so dog is a naming word, so dog is a noun. Suppose, children, you have a pet dog at your home. So what words or how can you describe your dog? Can you say my dog is gentle? My dog is big, happy, white, furry. Children, color you can write anything. Silly, four-legged, black, spotted, fun, curious. So you can give these adjectives for your dog. In the same way, suppose you have cat. Fine. So you describe your cat. So whatever you will describe, they will become adjective. Suppose you have any pet bird. Suppose parrot. So you can write about parrot. Which color is it? Green or light green. Fine. Talkative. Like this. Okay, let's let's write an adjective for your mother. So for mother, what can you write? See, children, there are so many adjectives here. You can select 5. Loving, strong. Okay, my mother is very loving. My mother is very strong. She is a strong lady. So all these are adjectives, children. Amazing. My mother is very amazing. My mother is beautiful. My mother is a superwoman. Okay, in the same way, you can write honest, best friend, inspirational, caring, intelligent, willing, fearless. So all these words are used to describe your mother. So children, what is your homework? Write adjectives for your father. Write describing words for your father. Fine. Now let us start the chapter. I have given many examples. I hope you have understood. Now look at these sentences, children. Raman is a tall boy. Like, see, you can see in the picture, children. His name is Raman. Raman is a tall boy. The word tall tells us what kind of boy Raman is. It describes the boy. Okay, children, what kind of boy Raman is? Tall. So it is describing a boy. In the same way, it is a sunny day. What kind of day is it? Sunny. Okay, again it is describing, children. The word sunny tells us what kind of day it is. It describes the day. This is a white cow. Children, you can see the picture also. So question can be asked, what kind of cow is, or what is the color of the cow? So white. So the word white tells us what color this cow is. It describes the cow. Arun has 2 balloons. So question can be asked, how many balloons Arun has? So the word 2 tells us how many balloons Arun has, right, children? So tall, fat, white and 2, they are describing words. What are describing words? Describing words are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They describe persons, animals or birds, places or things. So children, it is very simple to Learn. You have learned noun. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. So simply you can say adjectives are used to describe a noun. Fine. Now they tell us about the color, shape or size. Like color, you can talk about what is the color of your hair? Black. What is the color of your pet dog? So whatever is it. What is the shape of your book? So you can say either rectangular in shape or square. What is the shape of the egg? So you can say oval. Fine. What is the shape of your mother's bangle? So you can say circle. What is the size of your shoe? What is the size of your clothes? Okay, so these things you can say, like white cow, circular table, tall boy. Now they tell us how many there are. Like we have read two balloons. How many books do you have? 5. So 5 is adjective here. Okay, they tell us about some special quality also. Suppose I can ask you what kind of woman your mother is. So you can say kind woman, beautiful woman, gentle woman. So these are telling the quality. What kind of food do you like? Yummy food, tasty food, finger licking food. Fine. So these are qualities. How is the chili? So you can say bitter. Fine. So bitter is the quality. So in quality, children, positive, negative, everything will come. Crisp potato chips, kind women. In the 4 sentences in part 1, like we have learned 4 sentences, read 4 sentences. Raman is a tall boy, there is a white cow, like that you have read. So the adjectives are placed before the nouns, like tall boy, white cow. Okay, no, it was written like this. Raman is a tall boy. So all the nouns were placed before. Now here it is. Now look at these sentences. The tea is hot. So here we are talking about tea. So here also, children, 1 minute. Okay, the adjectives were placed before the nouns there, like white cow. So white is adjective and cow is a noun. Fine. So white is placed before the noun. Tall boy. So again, tall is adjective, boy is a noun. So all the adjectives were placed before now, but here adjectives are placed after noun. Like tea is a noun, and which word is describing it? Hot. Okay, the tea is hot, the tea is cold. So hot or cold will become adjective. The earth is round. So earth is noun and round is describing it. So it is an adjective. The box is heavy. Box is noun. And which word is describing it? Heavy. The box is heavy. Or the box is not heavy, then also heavy will only be adjective. In these words, hot, round and heavy are describing words. They describe the tea, the earth and the box respectively. They are therefore adjectives, but they are placed after the nouns they describe. So children, adjectives can be present anywhere, before the noun, after the noun. Okay. Now let's do the book exercise. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. The rainbow has 7 colors. See children, here we are talking about rainbow. The rainbow has 7 colors. So what are the nouns here present? First you have to find the nouns. So rainbow and colors. Okay, and which word? So see, the rainbow is also noun, but colors is described by 7. Okay, so here 7 will be an adjective, but colors noun. Which word is described? Which word is described? Colors is described here, children. Okay, not rainbow. Like when I said Raman is a tall boy, so boy is described there. Understood? Suppose I say Ria is a sweet girl. So sweet is a describing word and it is describing a girl. So take care of that. Father brought me a new set of brushes. So see, father is noun and set of brushes is also noun. But which word is describing? What is the describing word here? New. So new is an adjective and which word is described by it? Set of brushes. The old man. How is the man? Old. So old is an adjective, but man is a noun. Could not cross the deep river. How is the river? Deep. Lovely roses grow in the garden. See children, here roses and garden both are noun. Okay, and which word is describing roses? Lovely. So roses is described by lovely here. So lovely is an adjective, roses noun. 15 children. How many children? 15 took part in the race. The oranges are ripe and juicy. So here 2 adjectives are given. Children, you can write 4 adjective, 10 adjectives for anything. Okay, there is no end of adjective. The little child. How is the child? Little. Refuse to take the bitter medicine. How is the medicine? Bitter. So children, these are adjectives. These are describing words. So suppose you get confused that how to identify an adjective. So first find noun and see which word is describing it. Okay, it will become easier for you. Rahul is intelligent but lazy. Rahul is an adjective. Which word is describing it? Intelligent and lazy. Rinku has a very sweet voice. What kind of voice? Sweet. The grass in the lawn is soft and green. How is the grass? Soft and green. See children, grass and lawn both are noun here, but here grass is described. The sky was clear and blue. How was the sky? Clear and blue. Deepika bought a red ribbon. What kind of ribbon? Red. Mr. Prasad is an honest man. What kind of man? Honest. It was a dark, cloudy day. What kind of day? Dark or cloudy, you can underline. And the road was wet and slippery. How was the road? Wet and slippery. Now here also children, you have to underline all the adjectives in the following passage. Jodhpur is an important city in Rajasthan. What kind of city? Important. It is also known as Blue City. Which city? What kind of city? Blue. It is an impressive fort. What kind of fort? Impressive. With very strong and high walls. What kind of walls? Strong and high. There are 7 gates. How many gates? 7. Through which one can enter the fort. Inside the fort, there are beautiful palaces. What kind of palaces? Beautiful. Which are carved from hard sandstone. What kind of sandstone? Hard. There is also a grand museum. What kind of museum? Grand. Which displays interesting thrones, paintings and weapons. So children, what can see for 3 things, for 3 nouns, 1 adjective is given here. What kind of thrones, paintings and weapons? Interesting. Now here what you have to do, there are 12 adjectives in column A, like you can see here, this side, left side, and 12 nouns in column B, right side. Match the nouns and their adjectives. Okay, so first one is already done for you. Dark night. Green, green is the grass. Easy, easy question. Smart, child. Fresh, fruit. Deep, sea. Blue, sky. Narrow, street. 12 months. Tall grass. Long rope and sweet voice. See children, I am here only to help you. You have to do all these things on your own, and after doing you can check your answers from here. Fine. Now see children, what you have to do here, fill in the blanks with adjectives. Take these adjectives from those given below. Here 10 adjectives are given here and 10 fill in the blanks. So what you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks with these adjectives. So let us do it. We heard a dash sound coming from the roof. Children, you know, first I have written here pleasant sound. Then I found that pleasant will be filled in any other fill in the blanks. Then I wrote hilarious. Then again it was wrong. Okay, so it can happen that when you are filling all these blanks, okay, you will find, okay, the first one should go in the 4th or 5th one. The second one should go in this one. So no problem. You're writing with pencil. If you make mistake, you can correct it. So first one we have to write, we heard a faint sound coming from the roof. Okay. His visit was, see, pleasant will come here. Pleasant surprise. We need and guard for our bank. See children, what kind of guard we need? Obviously honest. In winter we wear dash clothes. It is very simple. We wear woolen clothes, you know. Drinking water should always be pure. My Dash dress needs to be repaired. Okay, if it needs repairment, it means the dress is torn, so torn dress. Her hair is either straight or curly, so curly, the option curly is given here, so write it. Six soldiers are very, obviously children, soldiers are very brave. A week has how many days? 7. Father narrated to us a hilarious story, means a very funny story. Oh, one grammar activity is also given here, children. See what you have to do here. You have to prepare cards with the following words written on them, like city, road, movie, food, park, day, student, teacher, neighbor. You can add words to the list. Place these cards on a table upside down, like okay, whatever you have written, it should not be visible. Now divide the class into groups, each group consisting of 5 students. The leader of the first group comes to the table and picks a card. Suppose the card displays the word road. The 5 students in this group have to give 5 adjectives to go with the word road, like narrow road, broad road, dirty road, like this. Okay, each student giving one word. 1 mark is awarded for each correct adjective, and if they give more than 5 adjectives, they get bonus marks. Very nice. One round is over when all the students have had their turn. You may have as many rounds as you like. So it is very interesting game, children. So, but you are not going to school, right? So what you can do, you can play, or you can do this activity at your home with mother, father, and if you have brother, sister, or any other family members like grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, so you can play with them, children. You also make charts like this, you also make chits like this, you keep on the table. One will come and then you can do accordingly. It is very interesting, children. Okay, so that's all for today, children. I hope you have understood what is an adjective. They are describing words, and what do they describe? They describe noun. If you have not understood, kindly watch the video again. I will come in the next video with next chapter, children. That's all. Thank you.